Armenia is a hidden gem nestled in the Caucasus, rich in history and culture. Did you know it was the first nation to adopt Christianity as its state religion in 301 AD? The stunning architecture of ancient churches, like the iconic Echmidzin Cathedral, tells stories of resilience and faith. And let's not forget about the breathtaking landscapes, mountains, valleys, and Lake Sevan, one of the largest freshwater, high-altitude lakes in the world. Armenian cuisine is a feast for the senses, with dishes like korovats, grilled meats, and dolma that reflect its vibrant heritage. Plus, the warmth of Armenian hospitality will make you feel right at home.